now, please welcome, ladies and gentlemen, from Davis, California, the C-17 announcer, Major Stu Rodriguez. Stu, take it away.
Thank you, sir. With that kind of opening, how can I stop? Right today, you receive the C-17 performing a maximum angle climb, demonstrating its impressive power and the ability to depart an airport where enemy resistance is suspected. With a departure angle just over 25 degrees nose up, the aircraft will reach over 1,500 feet before crossing the departure end of the runway. I'm your narrator today, the U.S. Air Force's West Coast C-17 demonstration team from March Air Reserve Base. As the jet begins an 8260 maneuver, the C-17's first pass today will be a high-speed pass. After completing a teardrop maneuver to align with the runway, the aircraft will increase to 250 knots, demonstrating the rapid acceleration capability of the airplane. The C-17's design includes a modern computerized cockpit, heads-up display at both pilot stations, and advanced cargo handling, allowing it to operate with a crew half the size of the current aircraft. Notice how quiet the C-17 is. That's control center. This gives the Globemaster tactical advantage while flying over hostile territory. Combine this with the use of NVGs or night vision goggles, and you've got one sneaky airplane. As the aircraft begins a 60-degree teardrop maneuver, you'll notice the wing leading edge slats and large power lift flaps. These devices literally change the shape of the C-17 wing, allowing Lieutenant Colonel Harris, the aircraft commander and one of the most experienced C-17 pilots in the entire United States Air Force, to fly at a seemingly impossible slow speed. Watch as he comes around show center.
Really hard.
To give you a reference of just how slowly he's coming across show center, he's only coming across at 85 miles an hour. Now I know there are plenty of people here that have driven a heck of a lot faster on their way to Lake Tahoe. So now you have a 400,000 pound